Oh yeah guys, what's up? It's your boy Dennis here. Today I'm coming with a brand new video which I'm going to show you guys on how to start making money online as soon as possible. Without wasting much time, if you're new to my channel, please make sure subscribe, like and share with your friend. In this channel we talk about making money online and so on. So what we're gonna do today, I'm going to show you guys and take you step by step on how you can make money online using ClickFunnels. If you don't know what the ClickFunnels is, ClickFunnels is the software which it allows people to create landing pages, to create email lists and follow-up emails for your customers. So this software, it is amazing guys. It also allows you to create a webinar with your customers and keep on follow your customers. So this is what it does. If you want to get involved with this, I'm gonna leave the link in the description below. Then you can start free 14 days free trial, which if you see that it is not working for you, then you can cancel anytime. But the software is good, so we are going to use this one to start making money online. So how can you make money online in this software? In this software, in ClickFunnels, you can make money online by just be an affiliate, you know. So we are going to make money. We are going to use this software to start making money as an affiliate. So what do you do? How do you sign up? You just come here. If you sign up, the link in the description below, you'll be taken to the place where it looks like this. Then once you are in here, you can decide yourself. You can create your landing page, funnels, email list, you know, a lot of things here. Then what we are going to do here, we are not going to create any landing pages or what. We are going to promote this, you know, this software. So to do that, you just come here to your name here, then you come here where it said affiliates. Just click there. Gonna wait it for what. And the goodness of this, guys, once you start promoting this, you got what we call is a recurring commission. Recurring commission is when someone buy and they keep on paying it each and every month, and you keep earning. And in this software, the goodness is you keep on earning with 40%, which is amazing, guys. And also the goodness of this that I didn't talk about is once you reach you can win your dream car here. You know, once you have 100 active members in your software, in this software, you'll be getting paid 500 every month without you doing anything. And if you have 200 members, you'll be getting 1,000 monthly. And on top of that, also you'll be getting commission, which is 40% for those 200 members. So it means, guys, you can make a lot of money using this software. So this is amazing, guys. ClickFunnels, guys, is trusted. It's trusted company, which a lot of people have been making millions and thousands with this software. So what you have to do is you just come here where it says start promoting now. Once you click to that link, you'll be taken straight to the page, which it looks like taken to the page which it looks like. Okay, so once you sign up everything as I showed you there previous, once you sign up as an affiliate, you'll be taken to the page which is going to look like this. This is how it looks like. So how do you promote this? What you have to do is, there's a lot of things that you can promote here. ClickFunnels got a lot of things. There's a 30-day summit. There's one funnel. To do that, if you want to promote this, you just click here and you take you come here with the get my links. Excuse for my accent, guys. I'm not good in English, so don't be surprised. But I hope you understand, guys. If you have any question, you can drop it down below. Then I'll be able to answer all the questions. So once you are here, you just copy this link. This is your unique link of 30 days. Then you copy this link. Once you copy it, then you'll be able to promote it anywhere. You can either use Facebook, you can use your Instagram, or you can use your TikTok to promote this software. There's a lot of ways that you can use. You can create videos and talk about this, show people how it works, then you're good to go. There's a lot of things that you can promote. That's what I like here. There's the one funnel away, there's the traffic secret book. I've already promoted this as well, and I'm still promoting this. There's also funnelchallenge.com, there's a dot.com secret, there's a expert. There's a many of them that you can go through and start promoting them. You just have to take a simple step, which you click here, you come here and say get link, and start promoting it anywhere. Guys, this is amazing. This is awesome, guys. I like ClickFunnels a lot because you earn a recurring commission. You just promote once and you keep receiving those recurring commission each and every time that customer buy. And also, if you want to promote the software itself, you just come here. Here we say ClickFunnels Affiliate Center. You just click here, you copy a link as I told you, then you're good to go. This is how you're going to promote ClickFunnels, guys. So guys, if you have any question, you can let me know down in the description below. To promote this software, you can either go to Facebook, as I told you, use Facebook. You can use Instagram. You can use ClickFunnels. You can use TikTok. You can use Snapchat. You can use any kind of social media, guys, to promote this software and start making money as soon as possible. Also, you can use, you can create a YouTube video, guys, and show people how the software works. What you can do is you can just go straight here to this. Let's go back. You can either talk and show people maybe just how to create landing pages, or how to create an email list, or how to build how to create follow-ups, or just show people how to do things. Then once you do that, and just mention to the video and say, hey, if this is the thing that you're interested in, I'm gonna leave the link in the description below. Then if the people are interested, if your customers are interested on what you are trying to do, obviously they're gonna use your link, they're gonna buy, because you are teaching them how to do, or how to create a landing page, how to create the follow-ups, or how to do anything that is helpful to them, you know. So once they see that it got value, obviously if you tell them that there is a link in the description below, they're gonna click that link and they're gonna obviously buy, because you teach them how to do something, you know, and they're interested in it, and because of that, they have to click your link and buy, because you told them what to do, you know. So this is how we can make money, guys, using ClickFunnels. I'm also gonna keep on updating you guys if there's more ways on how to use ClickFunnels to start making money as soon as possible. Because myself, I started it. I'm gonna share you my results soon and show you how, guys, it works on what I'm doing exactly. So guys, if this is the thing that you are looking for, I'm gonna leave the link in the description, but we can click that link and it will take you straight here. You can sign up for free for 14 days. Then after that, if you see that you want to cancel, you can cancel it anytime. That's a goodness, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you understand. If you have any question, ask it down below. I'll be able to answer all the questions that you guys will ask. So thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.